Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 7th of October. This is our weekly recap. If you want to learn more about us, please come over to smartoptiontrading.com and click on live trading and alerts, and you can join us for $25 for the first 30 days and see if you like us, and this is for you. Let's talk about this week. It's been it's been a week, that's for sure. You know, we started off, here's Monday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nope, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? Monday, we gapped up, trapping everybody who was short from last Friday when we closed on the lows. We gapped up again on Tuesday, thereby trapping them even worse. And then we stalled out the 21-day EMA for the last couple of sessions. And today, this is a bad candle. The high was the open basically, and we gapped down. We gapped down after a non-farm payroll report that was slightly better than expected. Still much lower than it's been in recent months, the numbers. The market really is looking for the Fed to save. And if you haven't figured that out yet, the market just wants the Fed to come in and stop with their rate hikes and to pivot and even do some rate cuts and stop this. So since we know this is a bad print up here, we've now created what's called an island little top here. We gapped up, we gapped down, leaving anybody long up here was trapped today. And you see this move down. Here's the June lows are right back on it here right now. Volume today is nothing special at 66 million shares, and it has been a slog today. If you got short on the open, you're very happy. After that, we never really had any powerful moves down here. It's all been very, very slow moves and drips down. This has been a week that's seen a lot going on. The semis tried to lead us last week up, and they tried to show some strength yesterday. Came in a bit, big gap down here. You can thank AMD for this. AMD came out after the close last night and pre-announced, and they said, things are not rosy. We're not looking so good here. They didn't issue guidance, but they pre-announced they're going to miss big time on revenue in their earnings reports on the 1st, and they'll talk more about it then. You can see we're now down to a new 52-week low. And, you back this up. We've been talking about it. We're into this support area, 58 to 60. We're into that now. So we'll see if there's any way this holds in this area. NVIDIA getting beaten up on this, not quite as weak, and the semis are generally weak. What else is going on out there today? Tesla, let's talk Tesla. Tesla's had a wicked couple of weeks here. So Musk, I'm going to buy Twitter. Well, I'm going to buy Twitter, but they have to cancel the lawsuit first. Well, I may not have financing. No, I do have financing. I don't know. A lot of unknowns here. What we know is this right now for me, Twitter is a day trade only, and it's mostly, Tesla's a day trade only and mostly avoid until we get beyond this mess. The judge has given him to the 28th to close the deal or the trial goes back on. All you need to know here is we've broken all sorts of levels here. We're back out of the Bollinger Band, and we were looking for support in the 230 area, and we're down now closer to the 220 area, and the recent lows are 206.86. There's concern that he may have to sell more shares. He says no, but if he doesn't have the financing secured, we'll see. I don't know. I'm not trying to take a side here. As I'm saying is be careful, because if it comes out, the stock could drop. What else, guys? Help me out here. Energy rage this week. Look at this move in energy finally coming in today, but massive move up this week as oil is raging. And if you're wondering about oil, well, oil came all the way up into the 93 area today. Inflation's going to get worse if oil keeps going up. And this is not where we want oil. You go back, you look at a 5-year chart on oil, and we are near, we're up in the stratosphere here. You'd want oil to be somewhere between 60 and 70, not up here, not at 90, not going back for 100. This costs, when oil goes up, it costs everybody more money, because not only for your car, but everything gets shipped, everything costs more. Apple this week, still holding last week's low, trying to hold in, but coming down. Amazon, another one, still holding in better. I mean, Amazon showing a lot of relative strength. As we go into next week, we have CPI on Thursday. We start earnings season Thursday night into Friday morning. The banks kick in. And overall, guys, it's a market that's very dangerous. Yep, I had a decent week. Didn't trade a lot. When I did trade, I was in and out very quickly. Today, I didn't make a single trade, and sometimes less is more in a market like this. When you have some gains for the week and you're doing well, protect it. I didn't feel like getting short this market, so I didn't. So I'll do charts on Sunday morning, and we'll see where we are next week. Honestly, my guess here is we still need that flush, and we haven't gotten it, and this market doesn't want to give it. But once we finally get that flush, we may find some buyers. The market needs some good news. The market desperately needs something to come in and be good. Maybe earnings can be that catalyst. Maybe earnings come in and deliver that for us. Everybody have a great weekend. Link in the description below if you want to join us, and I'll catch you guys for charts on Sunday morning.